I meet John, a dedicated energy plant owner with a vision for a sustainable future. John has successfully set up an impressive array of solar panels and wind turbines, along with extensive transmission lines to generate and distribute clean energy efficiently. His journey to making the world a greener place has been nothing short of inspiring, filled with challenges and triumphs. However, as time goes by, John starts noticing a drop in performance metrics. Something isn't right. So he decides to take a closer look and finds defects in his assets, which are affecting the efficiency of his plant. Manual inspections are time-consuming, costly, and often not very accurate, leading to potential oversights and prolonged downtimes. John needs a better solution to keep his energy plant running smoothly and efficiently without the constant worry of missed defects. In his search for a smarter way, he discovers Hornbill Drone Technologies, an innovative asset management company that uses cutting-edge drones for efficient inspections. Hornbill's trained pilots capture detailed aerial data using advanced drones, providing a comprehensive view of the energy assets. This technology eliminates the need for risky and expensive manual checks, ensuring safety and precision. Now, John no longer has to worry about the safety of his staff or the accuracy of the inspections, as the drones handle it all. Data collected by the drones is securely processed through a high-security system, ensuring confidentiality and integrity. Using a semi-automated process, defects are identified quickly and accurately, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. To ensure the highest level of accuracy, Hornbill's domain experts review and validate the findings before finalizing the inspection results, providing an extra layer of assurance. John can trust that the information he receives is reliable and precise, giving him peace of mind. Through Hornbill's intuitive platform, he can access inspection reports anytime, anywhere, whether on his laptop, mobile, or tablet, making it incredibly convenient. Hornbill provides a smart, affordable, and safe alternative to manual inspections, enhancing efficiency and significantly reducing costs. With this advanced technology, John can now focus on what truly matters, generating clean, renewable energy and contributing to a sustainable future. With Hornbill Drone Technologies, managing renewable energy assets has never been easier or more efficient. Join the future of smart inspections today and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into innovative energy solutions.